Hey there, I'm Chloe Bailey, and I'm here with my friends at Tasty to kick off the summer with some of the sweetest notes and straight fire, thanks to my Make 'em Sweat hot sauce. This sauce is an exclusive collab with DoorDash and brings a perfect dash of sweet and a whole lot of heat, like me. The limited edition hot sauce will be available only to DashPass members on the DoorDash app. Let's check out what our friends at Tasty have cooked up. My inspiration for this hot sauce, I love a lot of spice, but I also love a lot of sweet, and it's like a combination of everything that makes me me in hot sauce form. The name Make 'em Sweat is kind of how I live my life. You gotta add a little pressure sometimes, make it hot, make 'em sweat. I think I can handle a good amount of spice, but I also wanted it to have like a little flavor other than just the regular cayenne pepper hot sauce, and it's my favorite because I can put it on anything. I'm from the South, so my Nana, my mom, my aunts and uncles, they would always make the best Southern food. I love how food can bring people together. It's like when you share memories and moments. I love this song I have called Treat Me because it reminds me of food in a way, like treat me like I treat me. I'm gonna make my stomach, my soul, my body, my mind, everything happy. I have carried hot sauce in my bag a few times, like the little sample little ones. I love those. I will be carrying my Make 'em Sweat hot sauce in my bag. Thanks to our friends at Tasty for this beautiful dish. Make sure to go to the DoorDash app and check out my limited edition hot sauce available exclusively to DashPass members. Sign up today for DashPass, DoorDash's membership program where you can get free delivery, access to amazing exclusives like our new hot sauce, one-of-a-kind menu items, and more. Yes. Woo! Mm-mm.